Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add direct buy now button in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, to add the buy now button, we will be needing to add either extensions for our WooCommerce plugin, or we are going to add plugins through the WordPress plugin. So first, make sure that you are in the admin panel of WordPress. And now we can just simply go to WooCommerce. And after that, we need to go to extensions. And basically, let's just wait for the WooCommerce marketplace load. And then we would be needing just to search for a buy now button extension so it can add this feature to our store. So as you can see, there is this quick buy now button, and you can add it so you can make your checkout process faster by skipping the carts, etc. Another way to do it, as I said, by just installing plugin, and you can just click on add new plugin from here. And basically, I'm just going to search for a buy now uh, button, and here let's just wait for the search result to show, and then we can add some plugins to our WooCommerce store. And basically, as you can see, I already have one, and you can add this quick buy now button for WooCommerce if you would like, or you can add any other buttons or other plugins. So after you click on active, etc., you can either go to the buy now button, so you can go to the settings, or it will take you directly to the settings. So you can just simply go to the WooCommerce settings from here, and basically you will find this tab that will be added to you, and you will need just to click on buy now button, and you will need just to enable it on whatever you like, either on the single products page, shop, and you will need to finish the setup and save changes, and that's it. So basically this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.